These mini fit bones are placed right where I want them. They're just far enough apart so that I can get a nice balanced stand on her. If I put them too far apart, she would be stretched out too much. So she has good posture here, and I might only have her hold this position 1 or 2 seconds. So we have our external abdominal oblique, have our internal abdominal oblique, and then we have our iliacostalis. So this is what you saw towards the end of the last video where his back looked like it was just contracting. That was this muscle working. A rock back sit, the rear feet remain as stationary as that dog is able to do. And the front feet walk back, and the dog goes into a sitting position. So we're using our platform, and she's going to do some rock back sits into a push forward stand. Again, she's just using the floor dot, a little tuck sit there, a kickback stand,